Hello students, today we are going to solve numerical of braking distance. Question is given as the coefficient of friction in the longitudinal direction of a highway is estimated as 0.396. The braking distance for a car moving at a speed of 65 km per hour is. Now in the question, the coefficient of longitudinal friction is given as 0.396 and the design speed, that is capital V, is given as 65 km per hour. Now we know that braking distance will be equals to V square upon 254 F plus minus S. Now in the question V is given as 65, so we will put here 65 square divided by 254. The value of coefficient of friction is given as 0.396 plus minus 0, because the value of S is not given. So from this equation the value of LB will be equals to 42 meter. That will be the braking distance for a car moving at a speed of 65 km per hour. That is all about this numerical. Thank you very much, students.